Hey guys, we got a couple packages from Wood-Mizer. I'm hoping to get the blade guide arms and with the bearings and everything so that we can get back to milling. Let's see what's inside. I ordered a couple of maintenance parts too, just so that everything's prepared, so that when we have to change the oil, it'll be ready. So let's see. Okay, yep, that's what this is. This is the oil filter. So that in 50 hours, when we change the oil for the first time, we will be all set and have a new oil filter to get that to keep that mill nice and well maintained this time around. So yep, here we go. Kohler air oil filter. So let's see, now I got a second box. This box is pretty light, so I don't think it's the part that I'm looking for, but we'll have to wait and see. Let's see, what do we have inside of this box? Okay, and inside of the second box is the blade guide alignment tool. So this makes sure that the blade is parallel to the, well, that it has the correct alignment. It's a little complicated, but I needed a new one of these because I bent the old one.